Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for the best reviews on everyday products. Today, we've got something that could save you a lot of time and money, especially if you're a fan of DIY repairs. We're talking about the PLANTIONAL Upholstery Repair Sewing Kit, the best backpack repair kit for all your leather and fabric repair needs. Now, this isn't just a regular sewing kit. It's a heavy-duty 47-piece set designed specifically for tougher materials like leather, making it perfect for everything from backpack repairs to fixing car seats and even crafting. Whether you're looking to patch up a tear in your sofa, or stitch a leather bag back to life, this kit has everything you need to get the job done right. Inside the kit, you'll find 32 leather sewing needles. These aren't your average needles either. They come in various shapes and sizes, blunt, pointed, triangular, and curved. So no matter the project, you've got the right tool. Plus, there are 10 different colors of sewing thread, each 30 meters long, so you can match the color of your project perfectly. Whether it's a black leather chair, a brown leather backpack, or any other upholstery, you're covered. The all that comes with the kit is another standout feature. Made with high-quality metal and a comfortable wooden handle, it lets you easily punch holes in tough materials. Plus, there's a handy tape measure, scissors, and even a sewing thimble to protect your fingers while you work. Everything fits neatly into a black zipper storage bag, so you can keep it all organized and easily accessible. The versatility of this kit is what makes it really special. It's not just for leather repairs. Whether you're working on car upholstery, fixing shoes, or even making a custom craft project, this kit is ready for it. It's designed for both beginners and professionals, so whether you're new to DIY repairs or have been stitching for years, you'll find everything you need here. What I really love about this kit is how practical and comprehensive it is. It's great for repairs and crafting projects, and it really helps extend the life of your items, saving you money in the long run. If you're into leatherwork, or if you just want to ensure your belongings last longer, the PLANTIONAL Upholstery Repair Sewing Kit is definitely a must-have. So, if you're looking for a reliable and complete solution for your backpack repairs or any other leather and fabric fixes, the PLANTIONAL kit is hands down one of the best you can get. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on products that make your life easier. See you next time.